Shopping for a recliner is a difficult task, and what makes it even worse is that you need one specifically for your tall body type. So you're just about to give up and you stumble upon a recliner series that is meant for the big and tall. Nope, you're not dreaming. I have the perfect recliner that is meant for you. So stick around as we talk about the Randell Recliner by La-Z-Boy. Welcome back everybody to the recliner review. Man, has it been a long time since we've done one of these. But here we are, we're back, we're doing it. This one has been requested by a lot of our viewers out there because one of our best selling recliners, the Crandell Recliner, was actually discontinued by La-Z-Boy, and we wanted to find out why. And as it turns out, they've actually made a whole new model with better features, more features, and they've renamed it the Randell Recliner. So if you're looking for the Crandell, you've come to the right place, which is right here, as we discuss the features, the dimensions, and a little bit extra on the Randell Recliner. Big on comfort and big on style, that's the word on our new Randell Rocking Recliner. Designed especially for taller users, this casual family favorite features deep cushions, an extra tall back, and generous proportions that invite you to kick back and relax. The Randell comes standard with a lot of our popular tall enhancements. This includes the tall base, which brings it up off the floor by 1.5 inches, giving you extra height to work with. It also comes with an elongated handle, which gives you 2 extra inches. It also features a deep chaise seat, higher density foam that will stand up to pressure over long periods of time, and a newly updated design that features an extra long leg rest. This chair is specifically designed for the taller user, and just like the Crandell, it is part of the Summit series by La-Z-Boy. Being part of the Summit series is a big deal. What it means is it's made with a denser wood construction that holds up under weight for a longer period of time. It's also made with 5 springs rather than just 4, and it's also made with a wider base to support the big seat. As for its style, it's made with a beautiful biscuit style back and wide padded arms. Now as for the dimensions, we stated before the Randell is meant for the taller user. So it has a deep seat sitting at 22 inches, a body width at a whopping 45.5 inches, and a depth of 41.5 inches. So obviously this chair is meant for the tall body type. Now every person has their own body type, and it's important that you go into one of our stores and get fitted for one that fits you perfectly. But starting out, we usually recommend that this chair is roughly for someone around 6'3" or above. So as you can tell, the Randell comes pretty stacked with features between the high density foam, the extra tall base, and the elongated handle. All you really have to choose from now is your cover. And with La-Z-Boy, you have over 900 fabrics and leathers to choose from for your upholstery. This includes eye-clean fabrics as well as performance fabrics. And that's what we have for the Randell, not the Crandell, the Randell Recliner Rocker by La-Z-Boy. This is definitely a recliner that should be on your list today and should go check out as soon as possible. If you like what you've heard and you want to see more, you can always hit that subscribe button located down below. You can also check for our description. There's a link where you can discuss this over with one of our degreed interior designers for free. They'll help you fit you in the right chair today.